Today, I will show you how to program a key for a 2022 Range Rover. Step 1. Disassemble the original car key to solder wires. Then pry it open here. Pop it open along the seam. Then remove the battery. Now we remove the screws. All 4 screws are removed. Then gently pry along the seam. The key case will come apart. Open the mobile KD app, click Remote Function. Scroll down and click Smart Key Clone. Select the 6th option. The wiring diagram will be displayed. Now we need to solder using the programming wiring harness. Solder the white wire first. Next, solder the orange wire. Then solder the brown wire. Now solder the red wire. Solder the black wire last. Soldering complete. Proceed to the vehicle for key programming. First, plug in the OBD connector. Perform emergency vehicle startup. Click IMO programming. Select Land Rover vehicle model. Enter the corresponding program based on the vehicle production year. Click the first option. Click Start Execution. Select the first menu item. Confirm the device has stable network connection. If the original vehicle's UWB function is enabled and the key supports UWB, it is recommended to use a high-end OEM key for cloning. Do not exit during data reading. Do not select an ID identical to any existing valid key ID when cloning the secret key. Otherwise, the original valid key will stop working. The secret key ID has been read, and the UWB function has been disabled. Click OK. UWB function disabled. Tap OK. We can read data directly since we finished soldering wires in advance. Plug the programming wiring harness into the KD-X4 device. Click Read Chip Data. Unplug the programming wiring harness after data reading finishes. Place the KDZB24 remote key to be programmed onto the KD-X4 induction coil. The original OEM key ID cannot be copied directly. Therefore, select an ID different from the original OEM key's ID. Click Generate Key. We are using a KD key for programming, so select KD Universal Remote. Key programming succeeded. Test all key functions. Test the newly programmed key first. Then test the original OEM key. Lock and unlock functions work normally. Now test the trunk release function. Test the programmed key. Then test the original OEM key. Trunk release function works normally. Test door handle smart sensing function. Function works properly. Next test, one touch. Start, test the programmed key first. Then test the original factory key. One touch start functions normally. If the programmed key fails remote control, you need to modify the sync code. Click the fourth option. Click yes. You can modify the sync code on this page. Note: adjust the value incrementally from small to large. Do not increase the value by a large margin in one step. Click OK after entering the value to complete the operation. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions.